say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Connie. Happy birthday, Connie.
It's not Grandma's birthday, just Connie's birthday.
Connie, a birthday, Connie.
Just say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Grandma.
It's not Grandma's birthday. It ain't Connie's birthday. You can tell Grandma I love you though.
Grandma, love you. Happy birthday, Grandma.
And tell Uncle Bubba I love you.
Happy birthday, love you.
And tell Aunt Connie happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, love you, Grandma.
It's her birthday. Anthony. Anthony. You gonna dance?